welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan and I haven't filmed a video since like a month or so, and today I really wanted to sit down with you guys and create a lilac-y purplish makeup look with you guys. And for today's makeup look I'm using BH Cosmetics' new palette. It is called Digital Future and the shades in here are stunning, you guys. So if you want to see how I created this purple makeup look, then just keep on watching. So normally I always do like talk through videos, but in today's eyeshadow or eye makeup look tutorial I wanted to simply just dive into the shades and try something new out. So I didn't like comment anything at all, But well, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. If you like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video guys. And hope to see you soon. Goodbye!